In the world of carbon capture, it's not just about technology, it's about reliability. In CO2 storage operations, poor reliability and compressor failures can raise maintenance demands and threaten your goals. Without running compressors, carbon capture is impossible. What if a single detail could change everything? Klüber Lubrication offers tailored lubrication solutions for CCUS compressors. We keep your carbon capture operations running, today and tomorrow. Our high-performance lubricants maximize compressor uptime, cut costs, and extend equipment lifespan. They are also proven in the field for many years, globally available, and meet ESG standards. Our solutions deliver measurable impact on cost efficiency and sustainability. Experts worldwide offer tailor-made solutions and after-sales services. Let's shape the future of carbon capture together.